Is Somaliland a country? I love having these debates and I spent a lot of time thinking about it. Let's get right into the facts. Since 1991, Somaliland has had their own government, their own set of laws, their own currency, their own military, their own flag, their own license plates, their own passport, and an extra strong sense of national pride. I even had to get a separate visa to come here. When you hear all of this, you will probably think, yes, Somaliland is a country. However, it is only self-declared and has not received international independence from anyone, including Somalia, the US, and the UN. But I can tell you firsthand that being here certainly feels like it's its own country. Untouched beauty. And the locals will tell you it's a country.
Somaliland is not Somalia. We are independent country.
If you ask me, yes, I agree with them. Somaliland is a country. They do things their own way.
Hargeisa snacks and chips.
But I don't count it in my quest to visit all 193 countries because I go by the UN's list on paper. If I were to count Somaliland as a country, then I must also count Western Sahara, Hong Kong, Wales, French Guiana, Greenland, Transnistria, and Aruba, just to name a few, among dozens and dozens of others. Whether it's a country or not, I am really loving this place and all of the amazing people I've met so far. But I'm curious to know your thoughts. Is Somaliland a country?
Nice to meet you. Welcome to Somaliland.
Thank you very much.
People, when they hear som, they feel this old tradition. But that's not the case. Somaliland is very peaceful. We are welcoming all our people outside and foreigners to enjoy in our archaeological beauty.
Thank you very much. Shukran.
Thank you.